Hi everybody, this is Joe with Joe's Premium Firewood, bringing another fun-filled, exciting video. Today's video, I'm out in my neighbor's woods, and I'll be taking down this locust tree and cutting it into boiler wood. I'm guessing it's at least 70 feet tall. I've been cutting up boiler wood out here for the past couple months. My mechanic takes it in exchange for fixing my truck, and I just had I owe him 9 truckloads of boiler wood, and so I'm out here getting it. I would say right now there's probably eight or 9 truckloads already. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and drop this and cut it up and get her done. I really like cutting locusts because they're nice and straight. They're not that big a diameter, and they have very little branches, which is just at the top. The limb wood I'm going to be saving for myself. We'll be burning that in the winter, or next winter. So I've just been putting piles of limb wood out and just leaving this where it sits. Then in a couple of weeks, when he's done burning for the season, I'll haul all this over to him. We got to come out here with a quad trailer and load it up. So I haven't did the face cut yet. Normally I do that, but I want to show you guys how it's done. I used this saw the other day and it was still cutting pretty good, so hopefully it's still sharp. All right, let's fire her up. Let's try to land it on that pile over there. Perfect! You guys gotta see this knot. Rate that baby. On the group, rate my knot. That's about as good as I've done in a long time. Looks real good, doesn't it? Alright, let me cut this stuff off. Move you guys a little closer. The length I cut these was depending on the diameter of the log. So the bigger the diameter, the shorter I cut it. But generally, I try to go for about 24 to 32 inches. But if they're really big, I'd go down to 16. How you like it so far? Good boiler wood. And see, it's got this oak tree kind of arched over. Hopefully I can cut the top off and save it. It'll spring back up. We'll see. that's pretty much it, folks. Got her done. Didn't take too long. That wasn't bad at all. I know Adam's gonna love this stuff. It only took me about 20 minutes, about half a truckload, maybe a little more. But we just had to come out here with a quad and park my truck over there in his backyard and haul this stuff out. So with that, I guess that concludes today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I gotta walk back. Mike and my brother have the quad, so I don't know, maybe I could use the exercise. But with that, that concludes today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and as always, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like Joe's Premium Firewood on Facebook, and share this video on your social media sites. Thank you.